Hi, my name is Scott Kelly. I'm sure some of you have seen me before, if not all of you. Welcome to class S3 540. Just briefly to cover the questions that we're supposed to go over. What I'm doing professionally right now is I work with male adolescents in a residential facility based around behavior and positive peer culture for sex offenders. I'm a DCS, direct care staff, and I handle three of the clients that I work with as a team as case management. So I kind of do a little variance of both things, really. Um, what have I enjoyed about the past courses? Honestly, I'm a kind of a nerd when it comes to school, so I kind of like everything so far. I would say I just like the fact that it's more in depth than like an undergrad. Undergrad kind of just scratches the surface, I feel. So this is getting really to the nuts and bolts of everything and really letting us know, what it entails to be a social worker and what we need and, that stuff. What am I looking forward to in this class? I'm not quite sure. I find government rather dry and interesting, I guess, if that makes sense at all. An area I am interested in after my MSW is legislation, and that just falls from raising an autistic stepchild and that gray area between, taking guardianship or letting them kind of do things on their own, which I think there needs to be something in place for a happy medium. So, in that regards, I am interested in legislation. Now, how to go about that, I think that's what I'm excited about in this course is to figure out how that process can actually be done. I think it's rather lengthy and probably impossible, I guess, without the proper support. But because that's what I'm looking forward to this class, just figure out how things can get passed and make a change for individuals who need support. So, again, my name is Scott Kelly. You can call me Scott. And that's about it. Hope everybody has a good class.